Chicken satay. Tapos, sausaw sa peanut sauce. Hala. Ang sarap.
Recommended by China Kowangko. Recommend us the best.
Eh, kamay ko. Halangin niya, be. Uy, gaging sarap.
Ito na yung pinaka-legit and authentic street hawker experience na pwede mong matry in Singapore. Guys, this is Lau Pa Sat or Satay Street in Singapore at ito yung street na kinu-close nila from 7 PM to 3 AM to open Singapore's largest open-air satay street where tourists and locals can enjoy alfresco dining. Yes, guys, meron ganito sa Singapore. Aminin, akala nyo puro social lang dito, no? Kaya kung gusto mo tong ma-experience at ma-immerse sa Singaporean authentic street food, don't forget to include this sa bucket list nyo when you visit Singapore. Sobrang daming food stalls dito na pasok sa budget, guys. Meron kang option to eat outside sa mismong Satay Street, which I highly recommend kasi mas mafe-feel mo yung street vibe doon. Kung di mo naman bet, madaming tables and chairs sa loob.
Recommended by China Kowangko. Recommend us the best.
So, according to Kuya, recommended daw itong satay niya. So, syempre, susubukan natin yan.
Ang usok, be.
This is everything we tried, courtesy to my friends who introduced this to us, Kat and Dwight. Thank you so much for this. So, syempre, tinry namin ang chicken and beef satay na sobrang sarap after isawsaw sa peanut sauce. And this drink called Bandong na kahit sobrang laki, naubos ko pa rin dahil ang sarap nito, guys. Panalong panalo.
Uy, gaging sarap.
Marami din kaming tinry na seafood dito like sotong, grilled prawns, stingray, and syempre, di rin papahuli sa sarap itong Hokkien Mee, guys. Palong-palo sa sarap. Try nyo. So, ayun guys, ang highly recommended ko talaga dito is yung chicken and beef satay, lalo na kapag talagang sinawsaw mo siya sa peanut sauce. Ay, day, makakalimutan mo yung pangalan mo. Lalo na yung Hokkien Mee. Sarap-sarap niya. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me for more food, travel, and free diving videos. Bye!